7 advanced magic tips for Final Cut Pro. No matter how experienced you are using Final Cut Pro, I'm sure you're going to learn something here that you don't already know. And the last tip, it's a real eye-opener, and it's really magic. So don't miss it. I'm sure you'll have not seen that before. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe and press the bell so that I can make more videos like this for you. Check out my new website, and to celebrate, I'm offering the first 200 students who download my free 10 video editing tips, I'll give them $30 off my one-on-one training courses. Tip number 1. How to select a specific library when launching Final Cut Pro. Mostly we open Final Cut Pro by clicking on the icon in the dock. And when you do this, you open all of the previously active libraries. That's when Final Cut Pro was last used. What if you don't want to open all of them, or you just want to open a library that wasn't opened at the last session? If you click and hold on the icon, a list of recently opened libraries shows. Now you can select any library. If you accidentally click by habit, you can stop the launch by selecting Force Quit. Tip number 2. It's common usage to copy and paste clips of the timeline from one position to another. When you paste, it always puts the clip in the main storyline, even splitting the clip. What if you want to paste as a connected clip above the main storyline? Use Option V rather than Command V. And as a bonus extra, did you know you can copy clips and position them anywhere you want to, as a connected clip or in the main storyline, by holding the Option key and dragging the clip to the new location? A copy is created at that new position, and that's just magic. Tip number 3. While on the subject of copying clips, I like to edit my different versions of project in the same timeline, as it means I can copy clips from one version to the other without having to go up to the middle menu bar and continually change timelines. But how do you keep the different versions separate? I use a blank slug so I can visually see those different versions. Option W adds that slug. Tip number 4. Automatically fade audio clips. And there's a secret to this that you need to do first. Go to the preferences and change the editing preference, audio fades, to 1.5 seconds. Or more if you want a longer fade. Now just select the 2 audio tracks of the timeline and select Option T. Magic! If you want to see what's happened, you can expand the tracks and see the fade for yourself. Tip number 5. And while on audio tracks, you'll know they're connected to the clip in the main storyline with a connection link. If you delete the clip in the main storyline, the audio that it's linked to will be deleted too. To avoid this, you can reposition the link to another clip in the main storyline. Just click with the Command and Option key down on the connected audio clip under the storyline clip you want to connect to. Magic! And there's another option. You can delete the main storyline clip while holding the tilde key, and the connected clip will be retained. That's more magic. Tip number 6. This is useful if you produce clips for YouTube and you want versions for Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and even YouTube Shorts. Then you'll need to know this tip. Produce the 16:9 horizontal edit as normal. I don't want to upload it to Instagram, which prefers a square format. Right-click on the horizontal clip, select Duplicate As. Rename it if you want to. Then click the Overlay button in the viewer. You'll be able to see what's been missed, and then you can make adjustments. But in the main, it gives you a good start for you to clean up. Saves heaps of time starting from scratch. Tip number 7, and this tip is the real magic. If you wanted to modify a clip in the browser and keep it for future reference to be used in more videos, select the clip in the browser and then from the clip menu select Open Clip. It opens in its own timeline. You can make color changes, adjust the audio, and even add effects, and these are retained in the browser clip. browser now and you can see those changes in the clip. You can't adjust anything directly from the browser, and you can check that in the inspector. You can see everything's normal here. No changes appear to have been made. But when you open it again, the things that you've added can be reset or changed further. If you want to, you can copy that browser clip into another library for future use. But I would suggest that you consider duplicating the browser clip first before opening it and making any changes, because that will retain the integrity of the original clip. But over to you. Is that not just magic? If you'd like to learn more tips about Final Cut Pro, I've got one-on-one training modules for more advanced learners called Upscale Final Cut Pro. There's even a module for those wanting ongoing support with a monthly membership module that you can join for as little as 1 month at a time. And remember this one thing about Final Cut Pro: just because it can do a lot, you still need to know how to use it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, press the bell, and don't forget to download my 10 video editing tips for that $30 discount on classes.